Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has photographers buzzing with anticipation. After 6 years of silence, could Panasonic finally be bringing back one of the most iconic travel cameras of all time? The Lumix LX100 III is rumored to be on the horizon, and if the leaks are accurate, this could be one of the most revolutionary compact cameras we've seen in years. If you're passionate about photography and always looking for the latest camera tech, make sure to stick around. There's a lot to unpack. The legacy of the Lumix LX100 series. For years, Panasonic's LX series has been a favorite among travel photographers and enthusiasts who demand professional quality images without the bulk of a DSLR or mirrorless system. The original Lumix LX100 was a game changer, introducing a larger than usual 4/3 sensor in a compact body at a time when most competitors were stuck with tiny 1-inch sensors. The LX100 II refined this formula, bringing better color science, improved ergonomics, and a slightly enhanced sensor. But then, the series went quiet, leaving fans wondering if Panasonic had abandoned its compact powerhouse altogether. Now rumors are swirling that the Lumix LX100 III is not only in development, but could be the most significant update in the series' history. Let's break down what we can expect from this long-awaited successor and why it might just be the ultimate travel camera. Rumored features and upgrades. 1. Higher resolution sensor. One of the most exciting rumors suggests that the LX100 III will feature a 21-megapixel 4/3 sensor, a significant jump from the 17-megapixel sensor found in the LX100 II. This would put it on par with Panasonic's latest micro 4/3 cameras, allowing for higher resolution images while maintaining the excellent low-light performance the series is known for. Phase detection. Autofocus, PDAF. Panasonic has long relied on depth from defocus, DFD autofocus technology, which, while decent, for still photography, has struggled with continuous subject tracking, especially for video. If the rumors are true, the LX100 III will feature phase detection autofocus, dramatically improving its performance for both stills and video. This could make it one of the best compact cameras for hybrid shooters who need reliable autofocus, in any situation. 4K 60 FPS and potential 6K video. The previous LX100 models were praised for their video capabilities, but the LX100 III could take things to the next level. Reports suggest it will support 4K at 60 frames per second, a massive improvement over the 4K 30 FPS limit of its predecessor. There's even speculation that Panasonic might introduce 6K video recording, which would be a groundbreaking feature for a camera of this size. In-body image stabilization. IBIS. Stabilization has always been a key factor for travel and street photographers. While previous LX models relied solely on optical stabilization within the lens, the LX100 III is expected to feature in-body image stabilization, IBIS. When combined with the existing optical stabilization, this could create an ultra-stable shooting experience, making handheld photography and videography smoother than ever. Revamped lens and aperture. The LX100 series is known for its outstanding Leica-branded 24-75mm equivalent f1.4 2.8 lens, which delivers stunning sharpness and beautiful background blur. While the focal length and aperture range are expected to remain the same, Panasonic may enhance the optics to improve edge-to-edge sharpness and flare resistance. A new multi-coating design could also help reduce ghosting and chromatic aberration. Fully articulating touchscreen. A major complaint about previous models was the lack of a fully articulating screen, limiting their usability for vlogging and self-recording. The LX100 III is expected to finally introduce a fully articulating touchscreen, making it a fantastic option for content creators who need flexible framing and easy touchscreen controls. Potential challenges. While these rumored upgrades sound incredible, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Battery life. The LX100 series has never been known for stellar battery performance. With more powerful features, power consumption could be even higher. Price increase. The LX100 II launched at $990, but with inflation and the rumored premium features, the LX100 III could cost around $1,500 or more. Competitive market. The rise of high-end compact cameras like the Fujifilm X100 VI and the Ricoh GR3 has set the bar high. Panasonic needs to deliver something truly exceptional to stand out. Expected release date and availability. If Panasonic follows historical trends, an official announcement could happen in Q3 of 2025, with availability in time for the holiday season. However, global supply chain challenges could delay its release until early 2026. Why this camera matters in 2025? The camera industry has evolved significantly over the past 6 years. Smartphones have nearly eliminated the budget compact camera market, pushing brands to focus on high-quality, premium compact models that can do what smartphones cannot. If the LX100 III delivers on its rumored features, it could easily become a top contender for travel photographers, vloggers, and content creators looking for a small but powerful camera that doesn't compromise on quality. Final thoughts. Is the wait worth it? Now, the big question, would you invest in the Lumix LX100 III if these rumors turn out to be true? Does the promise of higher resolution, better autofocus, 4K 60 FPS video, IBIS, and a fully articulating screen make it a must-buy for your photography kit? Or do you think Panasonic has waited too long, allowing competitors to take over this market segment? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Lumix LX100 III, don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you're particularly excited about our camera coverage, consider joining our channel for exclusive early access to our in-depth camera reviews and photography tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.